I just spent $1,000 on an online course. Let's get straight into it. I just spent $1,000, which is the most I've ever spent on an online course, and the course is called YTMarketer. I'll go ahead and leave a link below if you want to go and purchase it. I'm not the sort of person who tends to buy online courses. In fact, I tend to run the other way whenever I see an online course.
Run.
But sometimes you get legitimate influencers, people who have actually proven themselves online, and from my own knowledge, I've seen that they implement very modern and working methods in their general online activities. And I'm not talking about the manipulative, money-making, money-grabbing sort of ways.
No, I like money.
What inspired you to build a second Krusty Krab right next door to the original?
Money.
I'm talking about actual legitimate algorithm manipulating sort of methods that are not trying to scam people out of money. So I thought, hey, being the opportunist I am, I'll create a case study on my progress. Now, obviously, different people will get different results throughout the course, so perhaps my experience with this course might be a bit more successful than others, or perhaps your success with this course might be a little faster than mine. But either way, I'm going to document the whole experience. Now, I just want to authenticate what I'm saying. So let's head over to my screen and I'll show you what's going on. So this is the course that I've just purchased, and it's promising in-depth case studies showing you the secrets to getting monetized and ranking on YouTube. And the claims are basically if you follow these instructions step by step, you can get brand new YouTube accounts monetized within 9 days. Now, as an experienced YouTuber myself, that is pretty difficult to do. The fastest I've ever gotten an account monetized is in 30 days, which, don't get me wrong, is still pretty good, and I'm slightly bragging of that. But if I can speed up that process with brand new accounts, that would be absolutely insane. So I want to see if that's actually possible. So in other words, it's a little bit of a make money course, but using YouTube and earning through YouTube AdSense, as well as other monetary methods such as affiliate marketing and even potentially sponsorships. But that's not what the course sells. The course specifically sells on how to grow a YouTube channel and get it monetized within a very small amount of time. We have a quick look at my screen. You can actually see the price is $9.95, and when I click on my link, which I'm going to have to blur out unfortunately, you can see that I have the product YTMarketer, purchase on this date, sale price. Okay, now I don't really want to scroll down and show you the rest of the content because that would mean I'm kind of leaking the material, because it's showing videos with snippets of the information and the YouTube channels that he's created, and that's not really fair on the creator. But I purchased the course and I want to document it. So let's go ahead and jump into week one. Here we are in Social Blade. Obviously I need to blur out some stuff. It wouldn't really be fair if I started revealing all of the methods, etc, etc. But as you can see, I have uploaded 4 videos and I've amassed 5 subscribers as well as 6,000 views. Now, unfortunately, this won't show the day-to-day analytics, only because you can't get listed on Social Blade until you have 5 subscribers. But either way, you can see that this account, this user, was created on the 4th of November 2021, and that is when I purchased the course. But in the dashboard, and you can see I've had 1,500 hours of watch time, and followed by subscribers. It's always a little laggy. You can see we've got a steady flow of traffic, and here we are on the front of this site, which is pretty cool. You can see we've got all of those views right there. I've not uploaded anything today, only because it's Monday, so we've just come back from the weekend, but I will likely upload another video soon. Heading over to the Facebook group where you would pay an extra $37 a month, you can see the founder is being very helpful and asking people what sorts of other content they want. He's also answering everything, and right here 9 hours ago from this video, you can see he's added another section into his training, which of course all people who purchase the training will get lifetime updates. Now we're already halfway there in terms of watch hours. We need to do something to get
more subscribers, which I have every confidence that as these videos start gaining a bit more traction, these subscribers will start coming in. But we are 1,500 hours in, which means that we are only 2,500 hours away. So I reckon we're going to be able to get that within the next 6 to 10 days, which will make it 2 weeks. And hopefully by that point, we will have the subscribers we need, the watch hours we need, and then we can finally click that button, which I'll do live. I purchased this course on the 4th of November 2021. It's now the 12th of November 2021, which means that is 8 days since I started this whole journey, and within 8 days, as you can see right here, we have 1,090 subscribers, just short of 5,000 public watch hours. Everything's verified, and I've had no community guideline strike. So the next step is to apply now. Do start. We're going to go ahead and accept. We're going to sign up for Google AdSense. I already have a Google AdSense. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and accept association. Okay, and that's it. Now we're just waiting to be accepted. Today is the 15th of November 2021, which means that's 11 days from when I purchased the YTMarketer course, created a channel, followed all the instructions, and then on the 12th of November I applied for monetization, and today I have some good news. Let me switch over to my screen. My channel has been officially monetized. So that actually took me 11 days from purchasing the course, and I didn't work on the weekend, so minus 2 days, which is actually 9 days from creating a channel to monetization. So let's go ahead and click the get started button. I've got the monetize your video, your videos. So let's go ahead and turn on ads. Okay, and there we have it. All the monetization has been enabled, apart from this one. Just press save. And there we go. So the question is YTMarketer worth the price tag? This is coming from someone who has managed to get monetization without this course. And like I said earlier on, the shortest time I've managed to do it was 30 days. But after taking this course, it took me 11 days from a brand new channel to a monetized channel. Now, when I buy a course, I break it down into a few areas. Number one, is the creator an experienced and authentic character? Well, yes, he absolutely was, hence why I even purchased the course. Was the course broken down into digestible, action-based content? Yes, it absolutely was. It was unbelievably specific, straight to the point, and there was no jargon whatsoever. Everything was explained, there was no faff, no babbling, just action. Does the training contain some sort of over-the-shoulder training that when it comes to these sort of things is absolutely necessary because it creates a little bit more trust and you can see it live, which builds up your own confidence? Yes, there are in fact 2 live case studies going on in the course, and because I was one of the early ones into the course, I actually saw the growth of the channels in not only live on video but also live in real time. That's right, when I joined the course, one of the live channels hadn't even yet been monetized, and then it got monetized as I progressed in the course. Also, did I get results from this? Yeah, absolutely. The course did what it said on the tin, which is getting you a monetized channel with absolute ease, and that was exactly what the course taught. And finally, one last question: are other people getting results? So let me jump over to the sales page of YTMarketer, because I can vouch I've seen every single one of these people in the group get the results. This is the front page of the YTMarketer group, and it's been updated since I started this case study. And Greg, he did it. Anna got approved. Anna's on a roll. She's got 2 channels approved. This is my testimonial. You've seen my comments and you've watched this live case study. Christy, she's done quite a few now, and all of these people, we all went through this course almost together, and we were pretty chuffed with these results. So, would I recommend YTMarketer? Yeah, absolutely. Now, if there's any discounts running for YTMarketer, I'll go ahead and leave a special link below, which will also give you access to my bonus content and my SEO training when it comes to YouTube. And you'll be able to get everything that I've just said, where I do live case studies on ranking local businesses and a whole bunch of just insane stuff that if you combine with YTMarketer, you're going to be a threat. Thank you so much for watching me. Thanks for joining along on the journey, and I will see you later.